Hello everyone. When it comes to stocking up on food, there's nothing as convenient as filling up your freezer with variety of frozen meats and ingredients. Since freezing your food is the best way to guarantee long-term freshness. If you are like many people and keep key meat items such as raw chicken or ground beef in the freezer, there's probably a question you might be wondering. How long can you freeze meat before it goes bad? The good news is that frozen meat that kept at a temperature of 0 degree Fahrenheit or lower will actually be safe to eat indefinitely, according to foodsafety.government. But it's important to remember the difference between safe to eat and good to eat. After some time, the quality of the meat will degrade due to the things like freezer burn, which is why you might want to know how long can you keep different meats in the freezer before they start to wear into bad quality territory. To help you make sure you are not freezing your meat longer than you should, we have gathered some guidelines based on recommendations from FDA as to how long you should store different type of meat in your freezer. Before you go stock up on all type of meat, it's important to first know how to safely and properly store meat in your freezer. First, you should make sure that you are freezing the meat and all other frozen food at a temperature of 0 degree Fahrenheit or lower. This is the temperature that keeps food safe by preventing the growth of microorganisms and inactivating any microbes such as bacteria, yeast, and molds present in food according to the USDA. Note: it's perfectly safe to freeze meat in the original packaging, but if you are aiming to keep it in your freezer for longer than 2 months, the FDA recommendations that you overwrap these packages with airtight heavy duty packaging such as foil, plastic wrap, or freezer paper. Or you can just place the package inside a plastic bag too. Poultry. According to FDA, whole chicken and turkeys can last in the freezer up to a year. If you are freezing poultry pieces such as turkeys or chicken breast, thigh or wings, however, they should be consumed within 9 months. While giblets should be kept no longer than 3 to 4 months. Do you know what giblet is? Giblet means liver, kidney, brain and other vital organs. Beef, veal and lamb. When it comes to fresh meat like beef, veal or lamb, you should know that the seafood can last for several months in the freezer, depending on what type of meat they are. Especially, the FDA says that the raw steaks can be kept in the freezer for 6 to 12 months. Chops, however, last shorter at 4 to 6 months, while roast can be kept frozen from anywhere between 4 months to a year. Fish and seafood. Fish and seafood can get a little more complicated when it comes to recommended freezer guideline. But generally, lean fish can last 6 to 8 months in the freezer while fatty fish lasts shorter at 2 to 3 months. Not sure if your fish is lean or fatty? Common lean fish include bass, cod, tuna and tilapia, while a fatty fish include anchovies, mackerel, salmon and sardines. Other fresh seafood such as shrimps, scallops, crawfish and squid should last 3 to 6 months in a year. Ground meat. Whether your type of raw ground meat is beef, turkey, lamb or veal, or any of her mixture of them, you should not have in the freezer for longer than 3 to 4 months. Cooked and leftover meat. As all of the above debate was about raw meat, but what about cooked one? Let's have a look on it too. Sometimes you will want to freeze your leftover meats for later consumption. But before you go ahead and cook extra portions, you should remember that cooked meat does not maintain its quality in the freezer for as long as raw meat does. According to FDA, cooked poultry dishes and cooked fish can be kept in the freezer for 4 to 6 months, whereas other cooked meat and leftover meat dishes such as beef, veal, lamb, and pork shouldn't be kept for longer than 2 to 3 months. We hope that you all have got some idea about how long can you freeze meat. But do you really know how can you freeze the meat safely? What precautionary steps should be taken to preserve or extend the shelf life of meat? If you want to get knowledge about how to preserve meat, please let us know in the comments. Kindly note that as we have already discussed above, the frozen meat does not give best taste as fresh meat gives, and definitely it has such low nutritional values, so it is much better to consume it in fresh. Thank you so much for watching.